Good morning, dear student. Student, your first chapter almost question answer is completed. Okay, without only 3 and 4 long question only left. So complete your MCQ, fill in the blanks, true, false, yes, and very short question answer and some long answer. So only 2 or 3 left. So today we will completed that question. Okay. So your next question: why power supply is necessary for the computer? Okay, students. Why power supply is necessary for the computers? So you write the answer. You will write. So every computer needs a power supply included electricity from our house and standard wall outlet, that's our house standard outlet, that means electricity board. Okay, this line indicate to the board, house board. So in the other language, standard wall outlet. So alternating current AC. Okay, so of 115 to 120 volts and convert it into a current that works for our computers direct current, that means DC. Okay, and that ranging from 5 to more than 15 volts. Okay, yes. So when the computer is turn on the power supply allows the converted electricity to travel to other components inside the computer. Okay? Yes. So that's need of power supply to the computer. Yes, student. So every computer needs a power supply to take electricity from our house standard wall outlet alternating current. That means AC is a alternating current of 115 to 120 volts and convert it into a current that works for our computer direct current, that means DC. Okay, ranging from 5 to more than 15 volts. So whenever the computer is turned on, the power supply allows the converted electricity to travel to other components inside the computer. Okay, student? Yes. So please write that answer. And your next question is, what are storage devices and how they are useful? Okay, student. So that's your next question is, what are the storage devices? I have question. So look, storage devices, write it. Storage device. So the storage devices are used to store data and information into the computer, for future use. Okay, so since a computer memory, that means primary memory, okay students, computer memory, that's called primary memory. Okay, two type memory, primary and secondary. So that's primary memory, that means indicated to the computer memory. Yes, is temporarily in nature and therefore secondary storage devices are used for bulk storage, data and information, and every computer store system software and application software. Okay, and what is the next question? And how they are useful. So what are the storage device? So to start up a computer, locates an operating system, that means system software in storage. So usually a hard disk and loads it into memory RAM. Okay, so different type of secondary storage device are used by the user. Okay, yes, so that's your definition of storage device. So the storage devices are used to store data and information into the computer for future use. Since a computer memory, that computer memory means prime memory, is temporary in nature, and therefore secondary storage devices are used for bulk storage data and information. So every computer stores system software and application software. And to start up a computer, it locates an operating system, the system software in storage, usually a hard disk, and loads it into memory RAM. So you know what the full of RAM? Random access memory. And different types of secondary storage device are used by the user. And you know the example. And what is the storage device example? That hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, flash drive. Okay, yes, floppy disk. This is an example of storage device. So, student, your last question is define the following. Differentiate between the following. So, student, here are 4 differentiate option: input device and output device, impact printer and non-impact printer, RAM and ROM, and standard input device and input device. So that's question G. Do the self. Okay, help by the book. So read the chapter in proper way and find the differentiate between the following. Okay, this is not too much hard. This is a very simple question. So that's you write. You do the self. Okay, student. And in the next class, we will read about the second chapter, and your second chapter is working with computer. So today, your first chapter is fully completed with question answer. So please read the first chapter and learn, and all question answer write in notebook, and the main things full form. In this chapter, you know, student, many acronym. Yes, like CPU, CRT, ROM, LCD, DVD, CD, okay, yes, and VDU, CAD, RAM, BIOS, okay, AC and CD-ROM. So in this chapter, many acronym. So please learn the all acronym and question answer. Okay. So in the next class, we will discuss about your new chapter, and second chapter is working with computer. Thank you so much. Have a good day, student.